remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Gretchen, it's like vomit! Like, people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready. Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting. This is not a cake, ladies and gentlemen. What is this, Crumb Boss?
This is a sheet of brownies. Has anyone ever wondered how to make 64 brownies in about 2.3 seconds?
Well,
We're going to show you how now.
You're going to show me how. So right now, what am I looking at?
Well, I need brownies in my store right now. We're out of brownies, and so we've baked a full sheet of brownies. This is a sheet pan size. That's why they call it sheets, if anyone's ever wondered. The bakery pans that you always talk about.
No, bakery trays.
Bakery trays that you always talk about, they're actually called sheet pans.
Okay.
And that's where the term sheet cake came from. It's the size of the pan. It's one full sheet. And so this is a brownie right here.
Now, do these have nuts in them or anything?
Not. These are just plain.
These are plain.
We typically make a recipe of about 6 or 9 of these at one time. That's how quickly we go through brownies in the summertime here.
Yes, because who doesn't love brownies?
And ours are so good.
Oh my God, I know, you guys. These brownies are amazing.
And you know why they're so good?
Now you're taking something out of the bucket.
This is why they're so good. This is our
fudge icing brownies.
And that's why they're so good, because
so you take out a couple of big
scoops.
Big scoops of it.
And now I'm just spreading it over the top of the brownie to the edge.
Okay.
This brownie here is going to give me about 64 brownies. The way that we cut them and sell them in the store, we cut them into 64 pieces.
64 brownies.
We probably do at least one of these a day, sometimes 2 full sheets.
2 full sheets. It just depends.
Right.
Okay. Now, so you make you're making the brownies. You're putting the secret Woodland Bakery
fudge icing.
Fudge icing. Yeah, because like when you buy that, you go home and you make brownies and it's cute and all that. But to get a real brownie and something real. Okay, now what are you doing? Wait a second.
This is what makes the design on top. So
look, she just made a design. Check that out. Look at that. Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. Oh wow, you're not even cutting them.
No, not yet. I'm gonna cut it now though.
You're gonna cut it now. So look at that. That's awesome. How fast you did that.
Yeah.
Now you're not using your $56,000 knife.
No, this is my $1.99 knife.
$1.99 knife.
I also can't do without. This is my great little paring knife.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
So the key here is to cut them all even, because people are going to say, oh, I don't want that one, it's too small, give me that big one.
Yes.
So in order to get a perfect yield and to not have any waste, we want to make sure that they're all the same size. And because I've been doing this so many times, I'm pretty good at it.
You're pretty good at it. Yeah, so like you're cutting them you're making 64 brownies right now. I don't think anybody's ever seen 64 brownies being made.
I know, that's what I was telling you. Usually if you're at home and you're making a pan of brownies, it's probably just going to be about this big.
Yeah, you get like
8x8, an 8x8 pan.
Yeah, but here it's like you got to make everything.
Yeah,
see, that's something that people don't understand. Like in a bakery, you have to make, everything. Everything is made.
It's made in bulk, that's the thing. Because we're not just selling 8 brownies, we're selling 64 or 128 or whatever.
Oh wow, look at that. And they're all perfectly cut. So right now I'm going to get 64 brownies out of a bakery sheet pan. And we got that in like 3 minutes and 30 seconds. You just did that.
Really?
Exactly.
Well, that doesn't include the baking time, this is all the finishing part of it.
Okay, so now she's going to do some. Oh, she's got more fudge coming on.
Yeah, this is the best
one.
part.
That's nice. nice.
I'm not-
Look at that. Squirt, 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 squirt,
This
squirt,
may
squirt.
be one of my favorite things in the bakery. Anything that has our fudge icing on it is absolutely my
Yes.
favorite thing.
Okay. Now, what kind of tip is that? A star
This is
tip?
a star tip.
Okay, I'm learning. Yes.
Yeah, same tip that we use.
Look
for
at
icing.
that. 64 brownies in 3 minutes. Well, actually, about 4 minutes. But, I mean, who's going to make that?
Yeah.
Look how beautiful that
So
is.
that's it. That's how we at Woodland Bakery
Uh-huh.
make 64 brownies in just a couple of minutes to put in our store.
That's
And
amazing.
These are the absolute best.
Let's see one.
brownies.
Yes. Oh, look, and they're cut perfectly. Look at that.
Doesn't that look so
nice.
good? I love these.
Nice. Now, where do you
Vegan
get
Crumb
these?
Boss, everybody, come get it.
Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at House TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.